Hey everyone, today I'm going to show you how to make a ringtone with your iPhone 6. Okay, this is the ringtone I've been using, and as you can see I already have it, so right now I'm going to open it. Now this is how the screen starts. You push this to open it, and here we are. We're going to now pick a song. Now I found that you can't use a song that you bought on iTunes, but you can use it on CDs you've downloaded from. Okay, we're going to use this one. Now watch, I can choose to make it either a text tone or a ringtone, but today we're going to do a ringtone, so I'm going to make a ringtone. Okay, now as you can see, this will be the length of how much it'll be playing, so let's listen to an example. That'll do it. Now let's watch. I'm going to push that button, as you can see, the one with the floppy disk you just saw, and I'm going to save it. And as you can see, I've successfully done it. Now it says here I've got to hook this up to the iPhone to my computer. As you all see, I already did. So now I'm going to go click OK, and now I'm going to go to the app. Now as you see, you go to your device, which, see, there's my iPhone. Now I'm going to go to the app, which is right here. Now watch, now here it is. You come to this app so you can see it, and let's see now. And here it is, the ringtone we just made. Now I'm going to save it to my computer. And this is the folder I'm going to be saving it to. Now comes the best part. The part where I put this on my phone. Now let's show you. You're going to go now to ringtones. And now we're going to add it. Here we go, add file. Here's my list, and here it is, the new ringtone we just made today. Select it, open, and voila, there it is. Now I'm going to add it to my phone. Okay, you go to your ringtones on your phone. Alright, here's the ringtones right here. Now we're going to add to. And there it is. I'm going to drag it. There we go. Done. Now we're going to wait for this to finish. Updating. There we go. It's finished. Now we're going to go now I'm going to show you how to put it on. Settings. Go to sounds on the settings. Now let's see. Ringtones. Okay. I'm picking ringtones. Oh, and there it is. Let's hear it out. Alright, now go to sounds. And voila, there it is. Pretty cool, huh? Well, this is what you want to do if you want to make ringtones that you're comfortable with. Enjoy.